5 musts before selling your home. It takes more than just a fresh coat of paint, slapping your home on the MLS and snapping a few pictures and then throwing it up on social media to get your home ready to sell. Also, to get the maximum return on your investment. Hi everyone, I'm Deanne Dillard, owner of Deanne Dillard Real Estate Group at eXp Realty, and I have 5 things that you need to do before you actually sell your home. The first thing you need to do is think about exposure. Even in this hot seller's market, the more exposure you get on your home, the more return you will see on your home as well. In fact, a statistic from the National Association of Realtors, or NAR, is that 67% of buyers walk through a home that they see online. We use digital marketing techniques to make sure we expose your home to the masses and not just a few. And we also use targeting techniques both locally and outside the area to make sure that people who are actually looking for homes like yours see your home. Next is you want to make sure you hire someone who is really good at negotiation. Another report from NAR is that most agents will sell under 2 homes a year. I've sold over 400 homes, and being a certified negotiation expert, I know how important being an experienced negotiator and agent actually plays in the process in making sure that you get the most amount of money and the best terms for your sale. The last thing you need to consider is price, condition, and location. And here's the deal. Everyone thinks their home is worth more than it really is. And you all know there's those sites out there where you can go online and they'll tell you exactly what you want to hear. And also, it's totally normal, but these algorithms don't take into account things like upgrades, views, or whether you have or do not have a pool. All 5 of these things make a huge impact on the type of return you're going to get on your biggest investment, your personal home. Everyone knows a realtor, right? But you need to find a real estate expert who will market your home, negotiate expertly on your behalf, and who understands the rules of price, location, and condition, and how that plays a part in the sale. Our team here at Deanne Dillard Real Estate Group are highly trained in all of these areas, and we'd love to help you on the sale of your home. Thanks so much for watching. We're always here to help you. Feel free to call, text, or message me here for all of your real estate questions.